हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्कार। एक बार फिर स्वागत है आपका दिव्यांश एजुकेशन चैनल में। दोस्तों, अगर चैनल पर पहली बार आए तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। दोस्तों, जैसा कि आप सभी को पता है कि आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट में दोस्तों सुनवाई चल रही है, जिसका कि दोस्तों मुझे एक फुटेज मिला है दोस्तों, जिसमें ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग दोस्तों आपको अभी लाइव सुनवाई की दोस्तों यह मेरे पास आई हुई है। मैं आपको सुनाने वाला हूँ कि इसमें क्या बातें चल रही हैं D.Ed और B.Ed को लेकर। क्या अंतिम फैसला इस पर आज आ सकता है, क्योंकि दोस्तों बहुत लंबी सुनवाई अभी चल रही है और अभी कंटिन्यू दोस्तों यह रहेगी कि तो इसको दोस्तों आप ज़रूर सुनें।
Judgment takes a view that NCTE has not taken an independent view and has only acted on government directive, and therefore the Rajasthan High Court comes.
Where is the power of government under NCTE?
29.
29.
I have reproduced it. If your lordship has it from my paper book, it is there.
Let's see the act. Direction.
Eligible. 59. Yeah. 29.
No, it's a national capital territory.
No,
National
National
Council
Council for Teacher Education.
Okay.
No, but in this, the council has to give direction.
It says the council shall, in the discharge of its functions and duties under this act, be bound by such directions on question of policy as the central government may give to it in writing from time to time. So the council shall be bound by such directions on questions of policy as the central government may give from time to time. Now, in very simply put the position, that the right from 2010 onwards up to 2012, D.Ed with an additional course was eligible for appointment.
That was under 23 subsection 2.
Well,
Or even if it is not, it was for a limited period. It was
correct. Up
relaxed
to 1st January 2012,
because these candidates were not available.
so therefore, that was the position. Let us take it that that was the reason for the position. The government then is confronted with a position where these Kendriya Vidyalayas, it starts with them. There is no doubt about it. Kendriya Vidyalayas come and say, sir, we are not getting enough people. Our posts are going a begging. And people with B.Ed are available, they are good enough. We have been taking.
How is Kendriya Vidyalaya concerned with it?
No, it's not.
Because it says state.
No, it starts with that. The matter is examined on that request. Then the
Examined by whom?
the ministry, HRD ministry, the Human Resource Development Ministry, and by no less than the Honorable Minister himself. The chairman of NCTE is there, the secretary of NCTE is there, the minutes of that meeting are on the record. They find that in all states this is happening. And therefore a conclusion in that thinking comes about that there is a shortage. We must make them eligible.
Where is the direction?
I will take that. If your lordship immediately wants the judgment, reproduces it, kindly have my paper book and I'll show to your lordships.
Yours is 44.
Yes, 44.6. So that meeting, I'll take your lordship straight away to that meeting first.
Take us to that, whatever the
Yes, 28th May 18.
page number and
The page is 145.
no, internal page. Take us.
Internal page of the judgment, it is para 20 of the judgment. It is internal page 145 or 166 of the judgment because parties are many. Para 20 of the judgment.
Yes, paragraph.
Yes.
So what is it?
Now, kindly have, I'll read the whole of para 20 to your lordship, so that just your lordship has the continuity. Shri Rastogi, learned, I'm sorry, my lord, this page 145.
Page?
145, para 20. Internal paging of the judgment, it's the internal and other is the same. Para 20. I'll just read these one or two paras because this is really the crux of the whole. Shri R.D. Rastogi, learned additional Solicitor General appearing for the NCTE, has placed before us further correspondence which took place between NCTE and MHRD in this regard. These documents are taken on record. Perusal of these documents would show that after the minister put his remarks on 11th April 2018, MHRD wrote to NCTE pointing out that the minister has directed the NCTE to amend the qualification and make D.Ed also an eligibility for teaching primary level, with a proviso of passing the module within 2 years of joining the service. We also note that in a meeting held on 28th May 2018, the officials of MHRD and the minister had discussed and deliberated the issues and decided to recognize B.Ed degree course as an additional eligibility criteria for appointment to the post of primary school teachers in classes 1 to 5. The relevant portion of the minutes of this meeting read as under. File was called for Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan wide letter dated 18th May 2016 requested the National, please score out bank, requested the National Council for Teacher Education to allow KVS to recruit primary teachers with higher qualification than prescribed by National Council for Teacher Education, that is graduation with 50% marks and B.Ed. So this was the Kendriya Vidyalay's request. The matter was considered in this ministry and Human Resources Minister has approved the proposal of KVS to recruit primary school teacher with higher qualification, that is BA, BSc, B.Ed plus TET. Further, Human Resource Minister has also directed that NCTE may amend the qualification and make BA, BSc, B.Ed also eligible for teaching at primary level with provision of completing pedagogical modules in 2 years of joining service. These directions were conveyed on 12th April 18. However,